Okay, sorry about that, guys. So I'm just gonna put my old armor in here. What the heck? Let me just. I'm a strawberry. Actually, I found bedrock, guys. I was mining. Ooh, yeah. I have a pet. I have a pet pig named Jeff. I mean Bob. Somebody killed Bob too. So I only have Bob left. Bob number 1 left. Strawberry. Ah, so tickly, you know. I'm just gonna get a pet dog. I'm just gonna get a dog. Then, there you go. You two, don't fight, alright? Yeah, you're... I'm just gonna add another entrance here. So they won't, like, get out. Don't worry, guys, about strawberry. 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 Look at this little guy up here now. Come on, dude. He's too cute to die alone. Alright, where's my bow? Oh, there it is. And yes, I killed a lot of rounds. Wait, let me get some kelp. So I can make dried kelp. Alright, I got some. So I need like 9, I guess. Ow, bruh. Diamond sword. I'm getting chased down by this drowned. So 9 dried sea kelps. I gotta get to my boat. I gotta board it. Let me board the boat. Ah! I'm going the wrong way. Dude. Ooh, sugar cane. I can make sugar with this. Ooh, I'm about to sell out some stuff. I might not have a brain. What the? I ended up. I ended up going the wrong way again. And went to my spawn. Went to spawn, bro. What? Wait, my smoker. Oh, don't you dare go outside. Oh, this is the furnace. This is the smoker. Sorry, Shikeo. Dude, I'm about to kill this pig, man. But I'm not killing Bob. Now I'm gonna name this little guy Jeff. My name is Jeff. I could like smell 20 items with a dried sea kelp block. I got so many type of furnaces, bro. Let me just cook some stuff, some food. Cork. I'm not feeding you, dude. This is mine, man. Look at this guy. Alright. I'm a 22%. I'm a 22% candidate. Outpointing the Kansas. Oh, got the food now. Alright, let's get more scalp. Yeah, you're out, Brown. Whoa! Ah! What the? I gotta get my trident. If it's raining, I should... Oh, yeah. Could I just add lava? Alright, let's try getting some flint so we can make a flint and steel to light up a portal if I want to go to the nether soon and make the hero brine spawner. Okay, let's go. It's time for the manhunt. It's time for the manhunt. Let me see. Aww. Alright. I see Florida though. Hi. I planted this here. Okay guys, let's see if I could MLG. 22 blocks is when I can die. Let's make it 29. That's 29 gravel. Yes! Oh, nice. Ooh, I got flint by just remining. Dude, that's crazy. We could make flinted steel. The flint, let's go. Okay, at least they're not attacking my dad. The dad. Hey! I'm not watching that. We gotta get more water. We gotta extinguish the fire. I'm a fighter. Let me just get some water. Nice. Yeah, let me just... Ooh, this is gonna be so sick. This is gonna be sick. It's gonna be sick. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, dude, that's crazy. Let's get some more water. The leaf litters. I could collect them. Leaf litter farm. We can make a farm. A leaf litter farm. Let's go. It will dry soon. Wait. We could make a leaf litter farm. I might burn my house down accidentally. Hey, looking at me. Hey, looking at me. Oh yeah, I killed his buddies. Ooh. Predator. What though? Why can't I place it over here though? Oh wait, I can? Ooh. Let's go. Tell me you can actually just put it right here. Oh no, I gotta like get my leaf litter. Ooh, that gives me an idea. I might not have a brain for that. Might not have brain, gentlemen, but I have an idea. Alright. Oh, the Billy Joe is my love. Oh, she's the girl. Sister, I am the one. Oh, wait.